Konnichiwa! Rachel Sensei desu. Dozo yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Hello guys! This is Rachel. Nandito ako para i-share sa inyo ang konti kong kaalaman regarding sa basic Japanese language. Nagstay ako sa Japan for almost 6 years. And at first 2 years ko doon ay nag-aral ako ng Japanese language sa Hutsuma International School. So, while studying, I had also my part-time job there. And by God's grace, naipasa ko na ang Japanese Language Proficiency Test N4, N3, at N2. For this video, I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself in Japanese. So, let's start! Usually, nice to meet you yung una nating sinasabi sa mga bago nating kakilala. So, in Japan, you say, Hajimemashite. 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 It means, nice to meet you. Next, sasabihin mo na ang iyong pangalan. So, kunyari, I'm Rachel. Yung Rachel sa Japanese is Resheru. Resheru. So, it goes like this. Watashi wa Resheru desu. Watashi wa Resheru desu. Or, watashi wa state your name desu. Watashi wa state your name desu. So, yung desu pala, parang paggalang yun sa Japan. So, parang po na rin na meaning. And lastly, doon na tayo sa yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. It means, please be good to me. Please be good to me. So, yun. Buuin na natin. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Resheru desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. That ends our lesson for today. I hope natutunan niyong ipakilala ang inyong sarili in Japanese sa pamamagitan ng tatlong expressions.